princess has gone into her chamber. Majesty.
Oledo! Ola!
Ola! From the look on your face when you walked in with your maidens, it shows that something was wrong. What is it, my daughter? Who provokes my jewel? Talk to me. Let the wrath of the land strike that person to death for daring my daughter. Talk to me, my dear. Talk to your mother. What is it?
Mother, I was insulted by some fools.
Who? Which womb bore that fools that they insulted my daughter?
Your Highness, these are the boys.
So, these are the three miscreants that try to poke their cursed fingers into the princess' eyes.
We are sorry. We do know that the princess will take offense.
Yes, it's true, Igwe. It was just a compliment. We didn't know it will anger our place.
Igwe, please, pardon us. We never try such again. Igwe.
What type of compliment did you pay to the princess which made her cry that much?
Igwe, we saw the princess passing by and we appraised her beauty by telling her that her skin looks beautiful and fairer than the glow of the sun.
That's true.
Really?
Yes, Igwe.
Yes, Igwe.
Well, she probably may not like such to come from you. Because of that, you are going to receive your due punishment.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please. Igwe, please. Igwe, please.
Have mercy, please.
Fetch me the princess.
Igwe, please. Have fun. Okay, I want you. Igwe, please. Igwe, please.
Igwe, just because of that, Oledo insisted that those boys should be flogged.
Just that. Just that. Do you know when the boys explained to me what happened? I was surprised. I was shocked. But I had to do what I had to do just to pacify my princess. Olam, my golden moon.
Igwe.
My sunshine.
Mother.
Hope you're very happy the way I punished those boys.
Of course, Father. Very happy.
I also taught them that the rats cannot play the fans of the cobra.
I trust you, Father. My princess, but I did not see anything wrong in what they told you. It was just a good compliment that every other girls will blush at. Mother, I'm not other girls. I'm unique, priceless, and cannot receive ordinary compliments from ordinary people. Is that not so, Father?
That's my princess talking. You are a unique and priceless jewel.
Thank you, Father.
Yes, you are special.
Oh.
Whatever you ask of your father, no matter what it is done.
Igwe!
Even if you ask me now to lift your mother up and hit her on the ground, consider it done.
Igwe, if that cannot happen, you people should tell who sent you that you did not see me. Ola.
My morning sun.
Igwe.
Mother! I'm jealous.
Your mother is being jealous. My friend, flog him well.
I'm innocent.
I said beat him well until he confesses.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
It's okay. It's okay. Take him to the cage.
Mama, Igwe. Igwe.
I will teach that criminal a great lesson he will never forget for daring to steal the royal flute.
Even what baffles me was how he was able to gain access into this palace. To steal the royal flute where it was kept.
That's not the point now. He has to confess everything. Everything. Else, he will die. My princess.
Father.
Where are you going?
I want to take a walk. I'll be back shortly.
You have the express liberty. But please don't stay too long.
I won't, Father. Mother.
My jewel, please don't keep us waiting. And remember to go with your maidens.
Yes.
I will, Mother.
It's okay.
Thank God.
This is my princess.
Chidi.
Nai. It's me.
Who is greeting me?
It's Udoka.
Udoka. Did you see Chidi when you were coming on the way?
Is Chidi not at home?
No. He returned from the farm and he had not even eaten at all. And people came here and said that Igwe wanted him in the Igwe's palace. Since that time, I've not heard the voice of my son.
Papa, wait, I don't understand. The Igwe's palace. For what?
I don't know, they did not give any reason. Imagine a very long time now. Chidi has not, I've not heard his voice. I've not heard him speak. Oh.
Who is at home? Who is here?
My princess, are you the one?
Yes. Are you surprised to see me?
Most definitely, my princess.
Anyway, is your brother Ochi around?
Since I came back from fetching firewood, I did not meet him at home. My princess, any special message for him?
No special message. Just tell him I came around when he returns.
What does Princess Olachi have with my brother, Ochi? What could be that important message that that made her came to the house to look for him. This is strange, oh. But I will find out. I will find out.
Nothing. I just thought of something. No problem Actually, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm just coming from your house.
My own house. I hope all is well.
The thing you reported to my father, are you sure of it?
My princess, very sure. I'm very sure of what I told you.
Have you told someone else apart from my father?
No, nobody. Only you. I've not.
Fine. I want it to remain that way. I don't want any other person to hear about it. Understood?
Understood.
Who goes there?
No, it's me. It's Udoka.
Udoka? Did you see Chidi, my grandson? Eh? A very long time now they came here and took him. I've not seen him. I've not even heard his voice.
Nai, I don't want you to say things like this. I'm very sure Chidi's fine. Chidi's okay, Nai. Eh?
How can Chidi be okay? Eh? The only surviving child in my lineage is missing, and you tell me, keep calm, keep calm.
Okay, Nai. You know what? I want you to relax. I will go myself to the palace tomorrow, at least to know how Chidi is faring.
You go tomorrow?
Yes.
Why not now?
Hey.
Let us go now.
Nai, it's almost dark. I can't go now.
Oh, you see, they came here and they removed the Chidi from this house, saying that Igwe needs him. But up till now, we have not seen Chidi nor hear his voice. Huh?
Nai, just take it easy. I'm very sure that everything is okay with Chidi. It might just be a minor problem. You won't even know. It's okay. Just calm down. Don't worry yourself too much, please.
Oh.
Eh? My Chidi is fine. Come and sit down.
What is that I'm hearing about you?
Something like what?
Your sister told me that Princess came here looking for you.
There is nothing between us. So.
If there is anything between two of you, that's no problem.
Mama, there is nothing between
Me and Princess. If there is anything, I will tell you now. You know my mother.
Why did you do it?
My princess, you have to believe me. I didn't steal the royal flute. I swear with my life.
And who will believe you?
My princess, I'm ready to swear before the gods of our land. I'm innocent.
And why have you refused to touch your food?
My princess, please, I need you to do me a favor. Please, can you send someone to my grandfather's house? He needs help. Please.
How dare you instruct me to run an errand for you? How dare you?
My princess, I'm not instructing you. I'm begging you. My grandfather is old and blind. He needs help, please.
Again I ask, who are you looking for?
Please, we want to see the king.
I am here to see my grandson, Chidi, whom you people took away from my house, to know whether he's still alive.
Wait, are you the grandfather of that thief?
Chidi is not a thief, my son. He's not a thief. You misunderstand. Please take me to him, please. I'm begging of you.
You better take this old man out of here, or I'll be sorry for you if the Igwe comes out and meets the both of you here.
Oh, don't you have a heart? Don't you have a heart? You took Chidi from his house, leaving his helpless, old, blind grandfather alone. Now we are here to see the king on that account. You are sending the helpless old man back? Don't you have a heart?
On your what? I'll strike you now.
Go ahead and strike me. Strike me. You think I am afraid to die? Go ahead and strike me.
Otipo! Otipo!
Your Highness, I would like to see them. Okay, Your Highness.
But I'm very sure we'll get a positive.
Oh, princess.
Who are these ones trying to disturb the peace of this household this morning?
My child, I think I'm here to see if I can hold my son, my grandson. He's been here for some time now. I'd like to hold him and know that he's still alive.
And what makes you think he's here?
Chidi is here. I know he is here. He is.
How dare you talk back when I'm talking?
My princess, Igwe demands to see the visitors.
For what? Why?
Order from above, my princess.
Ojina, your grandson is a thief. He stole the royal flute from this palace.
Igwe, my grandson is never a thief. He will never do such an abominable thing.
You probably say such because it runs in your blood.
Igwe, it does not run in my blood. Neither does it run in the blood of my late son, Chidi's father. I can't understand. Igwe, please.
Old man, how dare you try to call me a liar? Guards!
Your Highness.
Please, Your Highness, I beg of you, let your heart soften towards him. Please. I just want you to allow Nayojin to see his son I beg of you, Your Highness, please.
You too, you came to see Chidi, isn't it? But Doka, you've not told us the reason why you came here. You want to see him, right?
Adeze, I only assisted Chidi's grandfather here to see his son, touch him, feel him, to know if he's still alive.
Well, Chidi is still alive. But I'm sorry, neither of you can see him.
My daughter, please, allow me just to feel him. The blind man doesn't see, just to feel, make sure he's still alive.
Igwe, please. Why not give him the privilege to see his son?
No, mother. She's just doing this to serve her own purpose.
Her own purpose? What purpose?
She's seeing herself as Chidi's lover and is looking for ways just to see him.
If that be the case, then she needs to see him to understand what a criminal he is for daring to steal the royal flute.
No, mother. I won't give her that privilege. For the old man, I can understand. But for Doka, I won't fall to her games.
But then, who will take me to Chidi? I'd like to feel him. Hear his voice once more. Please.
Who is home? Who is home? A good thing.
How's your mother? Fine.
What of Udoka?
Udoka left very early in the morning to Mazo Jinna to help him with something.
Okay, no problem. I'll meet her there.
Wait. There's something I heard. I don't know if it is true.
What is it?
I heard that Igwe sent his cars to go and arrest Jade yesterday.
Who? Why would Igwe do such a thing?
I know. I thought you were aware.
No, I'm not. Udoka did not even say anything to me.
That's what I heard.
Hey, Chidi. Let me meet Udoka. I think she'll tell me.
See, my daughter, we are back. We are back. I want to thank you so much for all the trouble you took taking me up there and down here again. Thank you.
Papa, no problem. But I have to run home now, at least to help my mother with some chores at home. I'll come back later in the evening with some food for you, okay?
I'd like to ask you a question. Do you think my son is guilty of the offense the Igwe accused him of? Are you there?
Yes, Papa. I'm here. Papa, why are you asking this kind of question?
Yes. I like to ask that question because I would like to know how much you know about Chidi.
Papa, I really don't know what to say now. But let me get home first. I'll come back later. Okay?
It's alright.
Do you want me to take you inside?
No. Let me be here for some time. I'll go in by myself. I'm already in my house. Whatever I want to do, I can do now. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, my
Just
daughter.
take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you.
I'll come back later.
Thank you, dear.
Hey. Are you ready to confess? Or do I have to ask my guards to force it out of you?
Iwe, I'm innocent. I swear by my father and mother's grave, Iwe, I'm innocent. I didn't steal your flute. I'm ready to swear with my life. I'm innocent, Iwe.
I can see you're not ready to confess. I will ask my guards to do the needful till you confess. Guards.
Your Highness.
Bring him to the front page.
Yes, Your Highness.
Udoka. Chidi is actually in confinement at the palace.
Nne, you wouldn't believe that Adaeze did not allow us to see Chidi at all. Not even for a second.
That's our princess, Olaj. She's so arrogant and full of herself. Why wouldn't she allow the old man to see his grandson?
Nne, are you the one asking this kind of question? Obviously, she is a wicked person.
Yeah.
But Nne, there is something about this whole issue that's making me think that there is more to the allegation.
Really?
Yes.
How do you know?
When she was talking angrily this morning when we went to the palace, there was something about her attitude. I mean, the way she was shouting. I really can't place my finger on it, but I'm very certain that there is more to this allegation.
Oh, whatever thing you feel, you can tell me. I'm your mother. Huh? Or won't you?
No. I think it's time for us to add the vegetable. Let me add that. Let me just take this one.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Are you now ready to confess? Why did you steal my flute? Or do you want to die like an animal? Remember, you have a helpless old man who is earnestly wishing you confessed and return back to him.
I'm innocent, I'm innocent.
I can see you are not ready to confess. Take him back to his cage.
Yes, Your Highness.
He will confess.
Ola, what is it?
Nothing, Mother.
No, definitely there is something. Your mood reflects it. Talk to me, I am your mother. What is it?
Mother, I'm beginning to dislike the type of touch of father is melting out on that boy.
What are you talking about? A boy that stole the royal flute? It seems you don't know the degree of sacrilege he committed. Oh, because your father decided not to make it public issues. Yeah? Ola.
Mother, I know, but father should just reduce the flogging.
Then,
and just leave him in the cage.
Let him confess to us. Let him tell us the reason he stole the royal flute. Once he confesses, we'll let him go. Then, case closed.
I fear for his life, Mother. Since he came here, he has refused to eat. Including all the torture. Mother, I fear he may not last long.
Ola, why the sudden fear for that thief? Some days back, you were clamoring for us to arrest him. A boy that stole your father's royal flute, a sacred possession of your father, given to him by your grandfather as a king. Just allow your father to hear this, because if he should involve his cabinet, you know what it means, my daughter. Please, I beg you. Please. Don't do this now. Begging you, just eat a little bit of the food, no matter how small. No matter how small, just eat it, Papa. You can't continue like this now.
Well, how can that food taste in my mouth? Just imagine, how can it taste in my mouth when my grandson is there languishing with nobody helping him for a crime he did not commit?
Papa, was that why you wanted to take your own life?
Is there any need of me staying anymore? It's better I go. So that my eye will not see my nose.
Papa, it's okay. But at least you should have considered how Chidi will feel if he finds out that you tried to take your own life because of this whole thing happening. But that you have to be around for Chidi. That is why I take the pain in coming here, to make sure that you are doing okay.
That is true, my
So you'll be able to see your son Chidi when he returns, because I know that Chidi will surely come back. Yes, Papa.
Oh, my daughter, you have words of wisdom, very sweet, and I believe the things will go the way it should. I wish Chidi will have such a wise one like you as a wife. I remember you are two of you who are here.
Yes, Papa. We are two. I'm here with my friend Nkoli.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of that, Nkoli?
No.
After the rain, the sun will come up. Nkoli, we have to tell the stories of all that happened in the past, and it shall be a good story.
Okay, Papa, that is enough. But right now, you have to eat something. I'm sure you haven't had anything since. No matter how small, Papa, just at least eat something.
Well, this time I think you've made me alright by keeping me a little bit happy. I shall have to eat.
Okay,
Papa. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Nkoli, please help us with some water inside.
Yes.
Chidi, first of all, you have to try and eat something so you wouldn't die here.
Is it not better I die for something I didn't do?
No. You won't die. Because I don't want you to die.
Why do you care?
Listen to me, Chidi. Why don't you try and confess? All my father needs from you is your confession, and he will let you go.
All your father needs and wants from me is my confession. Now tell me, how do you expect me to confess to a crime I did not commit?
Why are you this stubborn, Chidi?
And why are you being callous, my princess?
If I'm callous, I won't be here begging you to eat and fearing for your life.
My princess, you were the one that accused me. Why the sudden change? Why do you not care about me?
I have done all I could to make my intentions known. And consistently, you have slighted me by turning a blind eye.
Oh. Now I see what this is all about.
I was only saying the obvious about you not going to see your friend Chidi. Since you gave your reason for not wanting to go, no problem.
Is that what you and Udoka was discussing when I saw you?
Me and Udoka? No! We were discussing how wicked the king is. For seeing Chidi's grandfather and not having pity on him, yet he gets hold of Chidi. See, that Igwe would have considered Chidi's grandfather first. At least consider his condition. He's an old man and he's lonely.
You're very right. You're very right.
But, Uchi, do you really think Chidi did what Igwe accused him of?
I don't know. I can't tell. Honestly, I can't tell. Why are you looking at me like that now? I cannot tell now.
Do I take it that you believe that Chidi stole the fruits?
Kole, mind your business, so. Mind your business. Fine. I'm going out. If Mama comes, tell her that I've gone.
Where are you going to?
Who goes there?
It's me, Papa.
Udoka? I thought you had gone.
Oh, no, Papa. I was at the backyard washing up these plates I'll use in bringing food for you next time.
How good you are, my dear. For looking after an old blind man like me. Oh, I only pray that the gods of the land will give you children who will look after you.
Thank you, Papa. I'll have to start going now. Thank you very much, Papa. I have to start going home now.
Greet your mother for me.
I will, Papa.
Thank you.
Igwe, I really do not understand this daughter of ours these days. The way she expressed her compassion over that common criminal baffles me.
Honestly, it baffles me too.
Hey.
I am astounded. Why is she growing this soft lately? Why is she growing this soft about it lately? I thought it was all her idea. Huh? Hola. Adam. Olam, why is my daughter's face this cloudy? Huh? Come and whisper to your father. What troubles my daughter?
Igwe, I want to leave so that both of you can talk.
It's okay, it's okay.
I will be in my chamber.
What is the problem? Talk to your father. Talk to me.
Father, I want to ask for a favor.
Favor? Ask of any favor and it will be granted. As long as it will make you happy.
Father.
My daughter.
Please, I want you to release Chidi.
What? Release who? Odibeze, stop begging me. It's not possible. I can't do it. How do you want me to release a prisoner who is here to confess to his crime to go just because the princess has said so? Please, I cannot do that. I can't.
Igwe, remember you promised her that you are going to do anything she asks for. I was actually wondering if you know the extent of your promise. Now we are at it. The reason I am begging you is because the princess has refused to eat anything since the last time she was with you.
The princess has done what? Has refused to eat? My princess, this issue has not gotten to the level of you refusing to eat.
Father, you promised that anything I ask of you, you would do it for me, didn't you?
My sunshine, I did.
But why did you refuse me this little request I asked of you?
Honestly, I was wondering why you want me to release a prisoner.
Please, Father, release him. If not for anything, let him go back home to his sick, old, blind grandfather. Please, Father. Please.
And after that, what happens to my flute in his custody?
Don't worry, Father. I have my ways. Very soon, the truth behind your missing flute will be unraveled.
If it's never found and he refuses to confess,
then hold me responsible.
I should hold you responsible?
Yes, Father.
Drinking water.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Hey.
Papa, won't you continue eating?
I've eaten my fill of the food. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
Papa, you've not eaten much from the food now. At least just eat a little, no matter how small. Try now, please. Please.
Don't expect me to be eating so fabulously. Just imagine my grandson is there, languishing in the cell. And I'm here eating every type of food.
Papa, it's okay. I understand. Don't worry, let me pack away the dishes.
Hey.
We have to wash it. It's here.
Got it.
Princess.
Open the door, I want to talk to you.
You mean you want... Sorry, ma.
I don't expect you to see me in a good way. Neither do I expect you to understand my own standpoint. But eventually, you will. I can't continue to watch you suffer this way. So I've asked my father to let you go. I don't expect you to show me any sign of happiness. But I had to do what I did for one simple reason. I will advise you try and eat something tonight for your freedom tomorrow.
My princess.
What is Olachi up to?
I don't understand.
She just made me issue that boy's release.
You will remember I told you about her sudden change of heart towards that criminal.
Could this be the result of Ojina's visit to the palace? Are you sure he has not charmed my daughter?
Igwe, I don't think there is anything like charm in this issue. Our daughter has her own motive, which I am yet to find out.
Then you now have the responsibility to find out as a mother.
When did they release him? Huh? No, nobody told me.
Is that not the voice of my grandson?
Namugu.
Namugu. What am I seeing now? What am I seeing?
How are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Baba.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Baba.
So they finally left you to go and meet the old blind man. How do I rejoice? How do I rejoice for this? Even as of today, I'm okay. If I die now, I'm okay. Oh.
Come and sit. Come and sit.
Because of our life, we have done very well. I wonder, they kept me alive to witness the return of my grandson, Chidi. Look at him. Look at him.
Namuku. Thank you very much, Namuku.
You're welcome, my son. Namuku. You're welcome.
I was very, very scared and worried. All thanks to the gods of our land that I met you alive. I was worried, I was disturbed. I was wondering how you were faring in my absence.
If not for that girl you brought here sometime, Udoka. If not for that girl, you wouldn't have been talking like this. Yes, I would have been gone for a very long time.
Yeah.
Udoka, God sent lady. So that if not for that girl, I would have been dead by now. Because at the time, I lost hope of everything.
Chidi! Chidi, you are back.
Udoka.
Oh. I'm so happy you are back. I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
Come.
Thank you.
Udoka, my daughter, you...
Udoka. Namuku told me how you took good care of him in my absence. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it.
If not for the good heart and spirit of this young lady, I could have gone. Yes.
Nai, if I had known Chido was back, I would have brought more food that would be enough for the both of you. Please manage this little one I brought, please.
Do not apologize for anything. After all, you've been sending food to me. At times I don't eat it. Now that my son returned to share the food with me, I'm so happy. In fact, this food tastes more than any other food I have taken in my life.
Right.
So please don't apologize. We're okay. We're okay.
No problem.
Guess what?
Ekene, this one you are so excited. Did the God send you good tidings?
Nkoli, guess what?
What?
Udoka told me that Chidi is back. She just told me so.
Chidi?
Yes.
The one arrested by the Igwe?
Bam.
Ekene, did Chidi return from the palace?
Yes, so actually, sorry I forgot to greet you. I'm very sorry. Yes, so Chidi is back from the palace.
Has he finally confessed? Or have they finally found the culprit?
Look at what you're asking her. As if Ekene was there when they released Chidi.
At least she saw him, or didn't you?
No, I might not see him with my two eyes. Udoka was the one that told me that he's back. But I forgot to ask her about what happened at the palace.
Ekene, please don't mind my mother. The most important thing here is that Chidi has been released.
Yes, so my
his poor old grandfather will not have rest of mind. And my dear friend Udoka, she will not have lesser burden of taking food to the old man.
Exactly.
Hi.
My dear, you're very, very right. She will have lesser burden now.
I'm so happy. Ekene, I'm going to sue Udoka right away.
I am going with you.
Let's go now.
Guess what? Chidi's back.
Really?
Yes.
So you going to have less fame?
I was actually surprised when I got to their house this morning. Only for me to find him coming out from the house.
This is a good news, especially for me, so that I can have my daughter back.
Ne, what are you trying to say?
So don't
that
you?
I've been leaving the job in this house for only you to do?
Before Uncle.
When you dedicate all your time and energy to that place. I was alone here.
Mama,
walking.
it's okay. It's okay. Nkoli, please wait for me. Let me get my water pot so we go to the stream together. My Chidi is back.
Hey. I'm very happy. Nkoli, how about your mother and your brother?
They are fine, ma.
Oh, let me rest now.
I'm hearing the sound of some farming tools. What is it? Why?
Namunku, I want to go to the farm and also check on my trap.
Hey, you don't have to do that. You have to rest. Rest. Huh? After all, if your trap has caught any animal, it might be smelling by now. And you have to rest, my son. Please.
Namuka, we'll see about that when I get there. Our farm and trap needs attention. I promise I'll be back soon.
Please, come back soon. No? You know, I like always to be around you.
I will, Namuka.
I go work.
See you later, Namuka.
I go work.
My princess, ever since I've been waiting for you to tell me the reason you insisted that thief should be released.
Mother, he has been punished enough. He has suffered enough. Huh?
It seems you don't even know the gravity of the offense that boy committed. He should thank his God so that your father decided to treat that case in the palace.
It's okay, Mother. I want to go out.
To where?
To take a walk.
Would you like the guards to...
No, Mother. Just the maidens.
Take care of yourself.
I will, Mother. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Where are they? Maidens! Ogechi!
My princess! Please take care of yourself.
I will, Mother. I'll see you.
Your Majesty, take care of her.
That knocking?
Nah, it's me, Amara.
Oh, Amara.
Yes, Nai.
Amara, the daughter of Ogwide.
Yes, Nai.
Nai. Is Chief home?
Chidi has gone to the farm. He can never be at home by this time of the day.
Oh. Nai. I'm so sorry about what happened. I've not been around for some days now. I went on an errand to my mother's village across the river. I just returned and my mother told me what happened.
The evil ones have, in fact, nearly killed my children. But God intervened. The gods of the land intervened.
No, they will never succeed.
They won't.
Never.
They won't.
No, I hope you've been well.
I'm all right. As far as my child is with me, I'm okay.
Thanks, the boss. No, I will be on my way.
You're going, eh?
Yes, I have to go and make evening food for my mother.
I see. Please do that and greet your father and go there for me. Huh?
Oh, no. I will be on my way. Take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you.
All night.
Yes, done.
For destiny, for destiny,
Greetings, my princess.
I wonder where this one has been all the while. Where has she suddenly reared her ugly head from? Against me, Olachi. Me, Princess Olachi. No, no, no. You will all fail.
Ochi.
Mama.
What happened? Why are you sitting here all alone in a pensive mood? Is anything bothering you?
Mama. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Have you seen your friend Jane since he came back from palace?
Yes, now. I went to their place, but his grandfather said he went out.
Hey, Ochi, between you and I, do you think that Jade stole the royal fruit?
Mama, stop asking me that now. Eh? If you want to know, go and ask Chidi. Everybody is asking me what I know. Was I there? He has spoiled my mood now. Go and ask Chidi.
What's on your mind?
Where is the princess?
She said she wants to take a walk in the vicinity. Is there any problem?
Honestly, I'm still not satisfied with my letting that boy go on the wish of the princess. The royal flute is yet to be found.
Eh? I thought the flute had been found.
Maybe in your dreams. I'll still find out who is saying the truth and who is not.
Otibo! Otibo! Where is Otibo?
Your Highness. She and other guards accompanied Her Majesty out.
My royal flute is missing in this palace.
I'm sorry, Igwe.
This is not a matter of being sorry. Yes, it is not a matter of being sorry. I want to know which of you entered this palace and took my royal flute in the first place. Now, I want you to run. Summon all my chiefs immediately. Let them be here at once.
Yes,
go.
Igwe.
I must find out. I must find out. Oh. Nonsense! How can someone enter this palace and take my royal flute? That means I am no longer safe in this palace. I am not safe. Oh. I had to question my guards, just for formality's sake. Even though I know that none of them will dare carry out such anomaly of stealing my flute from this palace. So that's why I invited you, my chiefs, to help me on this matter.
If I may ask, are we deliberating on this issue based on communal or...
No, Ichiobiora. As we all know, this royal flute we are talking about is my father's treasured possession, which he bequeathed to me because of my love for it. So it's a personal issue. It doesn't have anything to do with the community.
In that case, we need to know which circumstances, the circumstances under which the flute was stolen.
Ethiopia. Is anything wrong with your ears, or do I have water in my mouth?
Igwe, I think what Ethiopia is asking is, are you suspecting anybody that I was stolen the flute?
Ichiejike, as regards to your question, right now I cannot dwell on anybody within the palace.
And that's what makes it a lot of complicated. Because if the culprit is not from the inside, then he must come from outside.
Igwe, if I may come in here, I suggest you retrieve your mind back on recent visitors to this palace, apart from your elders.
Well, the recent visitors I can remember now are those young men that usually bring meat to this palace. Chid and Ochele. That's the people I can remember now.
In that case, it will be wise enough to summon them to this place for questioning.
Hala, my princess. What troubles you? Why is your face so cloudy? Talk to me.
Excuse me, father.
Woman, go and know what is happening to your daughter. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Are you now ready to confess? Why did you steal my flute? Or do you want to die like an animal? Remember, you have a helpless old man who is earnestly wishing you confessed and return back to him.
I'm innocent, I'm innocent.
I can see you are not ready to confess. Take him back to his cage.
Yes, Your Highness.
He will confess.
Obi. My love. What is the matter?
My grandfather is asleep.
Okay. Come.
What baby? I hope you're not angry. I've not been around for 3 days. I came back and I heard what happened. So I decided to go and bring this with food for you. Though your father told me you've gone out.
Amara, I've warned you severally to stop calling me that. My name is Chidi, not Obi. Secondly, I can't remember begging you for fruits. So what are you doing here?
You don't have to beg me. This is a sign of my love, eh? I could do anything for you. Anything.
Oh, listen. We can be casual friends. But that which you're looking for will never ever work.
Baby, don't say that.
Now leave.
Please. You're making my heart to bleed. Don't say that.
I said leave.
I can't just leave. Look at the fruit I brought.
Leave this place. Leave. I said you should leave.
Udoka, you need to see how Amara was just throwing herself at Chidi. Huh? That girl.
Nkoli, I think it's high time I want Amara to stay clear of Chidi.
Mom.
I'm wondering what brought her back to this town. Why didn't she stay back at... God knows where she was before. Why did she come back here?
I support you. Haba.
Amara. Amara.
You see the way I saw them.
Amara.
Hey, young man. Who do you seek for? Princess.
Mr. Princess, do you have any special reason why you want to see the princess?
Follow him.
Is that why you came?
Yes, my princess. I saw Chidi. So I came to confirm if he finally confessed. Yes.
Actually, do you know one thing I've noticed about you? I'm a good person. You're a very bad person. A very bad person.
My princess, what have I done? Is it because I came to choir?
The last time you came to this palace was when you were summoned. And you lied against your friend that he stole the royal flute.
But my princess, you were dead that day now. You supported me.
Yes, I did, because I thought I could get even with Chidi for turning his back at me and daring to shame me. So don't think your accusation is just a way for you to score your cheap evil plans. When Chidi was in prison, you refused to come and see him, yet you call yourself his friend.
My princess, I was only scared of the Igwe. Before he will lock me up.
I'm scared of the Igwe before he will lock me up. What a cheap excuse. Anyway, Chidi has been freed. He's now a free man. And there is nothing anyone, not even my father, will do to hurt him anymore. You know why? Chidi is mine. And very soon, we will get married. Don't let your jealousy eat you up again to tell another lie against me. Because I will be watching you.
So even the princess has fallen on Chidi in spite of all my effort to make the princess don't like me and leave Chidi to the like of Amara and Udoka. No problem. Baba, I know what to do about this.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Since you've been throwing yourself at Chidi, what has it done for you? What has it done for you?
The privilege of him eating my meal. Oh. You silly thing that's been running around him like a cricket. Has he married you?
Cricket?
I am asking you.
Wait. You had the privilege of him eating your meal. This rotten meal of yours. That is meant for mad people. You have the privilege of him eating your meal.
Mama, you have struck your mother.
Mama, you have fire you with thunder.
Amara, I am warning you. Stay away from Chidi. Amara, stay away from Chidi.
You, this little thing, stay away from my husband.
What? Stay away from my husband. You're nothing but a mad girl.
That is what you are.
Amara,
you called me a mad girl. That is what you are.
I'm sorry, please. Chidi.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry. Please. I've been begging you now. Forgive me, please.
Don't you have shame? I'm disappointed in you. Must you fight? Imagine the way you both were disgracing yourselves publicly just because of a man.
Chidi, it was Amara that started the whole fight, so she hit me first. Ask Nkoli. Nkoli was there when the whole thing started.
I won't ask Nkoli anything. Listen, the next time you want to disgrace yourself publicly, don't do that on my account.
Yeah, so Chidi, are you working out?
Oh yes, I'm working out on you. I need to check on my father.
Hey, Amara. Hey.
Because I had a fight with Amara.
So you fought with Amara, isn't it? You fought with another girl because of Chid. Huh? I told you, why now you throw yourself to that Chid? Huh? Chid has nothing to do with you.
You know how much I love Chidi. I love him very much. Everything I was doing was not to chip in myself before him.
I know you love him, but the question is, did Chid love you in return? You have been doing everything for him, even when he was in detention. You are the one who was cooking for his grandfather. Yet he still neglects you. Forget about Chid. Forget about him.
I love him very much.
Forget about that love.
I love him very much. I love him very much.
I said you should forget about Chid. Chid, I don't know how to thank you for the home that you have been doing for us. Yeah?
It's okay, Mama.
See you.
Chidi, thank you very much. Thank you.
Let me be on my way. My grandfather will be waiting for me by now.
Okay. Greet your grandfather for me.
I will.
Let me see him off, eh? I'll come back very soon.
Go and see him off. Hey! Everywhere.
Everybody would not give out things the way you do. Why are you laughing? Is it because of something I said?
No, the way you innocently express your mind.
Well, the truth is, you are a very nice person.
Thank you. So I heard.
And I hope people appreciate you the way I and my mother appreciate you.
Well, you see, it doesn't really matter if people appreciate or praise you for the good things you do. What matters most is that for every good thing you do, our gods will reward you.
You're such a unique personality.
Thank you.
And I'm beginning to like you.
Okay, I'm beginning to like you too.
Really? Okay. Can you tell me things about your people, I mean your parents? Because I've been wondering why you live alone with your grandfather. Did I say something wrong?
My parents are dead.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. According to my grandfather, on that black thing, my father left for farm, while my mother left for market. Later at night, none of them returned. So my grandfather called our neighbors and they started looking for them. Only to find my father headless by the bush path. And my mother never returned till this day.
I'm so sorry. This is such a sad story. I'm very sorry. But don't you think it's possible that your mother is still alive?
If my mother is still alive, she would have come back and seen me.
And your grandmother?
My grandmother couldn't stand the shock, so she died a few days later. That was how the challenge of raising me fell on the shoulders of my grandfather.
Oh. No wonder you're always close to your grandfather.
My grandfather sacrificed all he had just to raise me up. I can kill for him.
I'm very certain that this kind-heartedness of yours is either from your mother or from your father.
Or my grandfather. It's okay, thank you very much. Greetings, my princess.
And who is this daughter of an animal that cannot greet royalty when she sees one?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Keep your apologies to yourself. Leave us. I want to talk to him. Are you deaf? I said, leave us. I want to talk to him.
Udoka! Udoka! Ne!
On that black thing, my father left for farm, while my mother left for market. Later at night, none of them returned. So my grandfather called our neighbors and they started looking for them. only to find my father headless by the bush path.
Oh.
And my mother never returned till this day.
I'm so sorry. This is such a sad story. I'm very sorry. But don't you think it's possible that your mother is still alive?
If my mother is still alive, she would have come back and seen me.
And your grandmother?
My grandmother couldn't stand the shock, so she died a few days later. That was how the challenge of raising me fell on the shoulders of my grandfather.
Oh. No wonder you're always close to your grandfather.
My grandfather sacrificed all he had just to raise me up. I can kill for him.
I'm very certain that this kind-heartedness of yours is either from your mother or from your father.
Or my grandfather. It's okay, thank you very much. Greetings, my princess.
And who is this daughter of an animal that cannot greet royalty when she sees one?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Keep your apologies to yourself. Leave us. I want to talk to him. Are you deaf? I said, leave us. I want to talk to him.
Udoka! Udoka! Nne! Nne!
How are you? I'm fine. Are you going out? Yes, but since you're here, let's sit down. How is your grandfather?
He's fine. How is your mother and uncle?
Yeah, they're inside, sleeping.
Actually, something has been eating me up, so I decided to come and share it with you as a friend. And honestly speaking, I need your candid advice.
What could that be?
3 girls. 3 different girls are on my neck, all in the name of love. I don't know what to do.
Three girls. Who are they?
Amara, Udoka. They even fought because of me.
Udoka. Okay. Who is the last person?
Our princess.
Oh.
I see. I see.
What do you mean by you see? Is that all you have to say?
Do you want me to say that 3 years and dying for you? Superman. Clap for you.
Actually, I came to you as a friend and brother. All I need is your advice.
My advice. Oh, okay. You want my advice, eh? I will advise you marry I'm one and Udoka and leave the princess.
I should marry Aminwa and Udoka and leave the princess.
Bam.
Why do you say so?
You asking me? Which king will allow his daughter marry a criminal? You don't know that you're a criminal. You said you want my advice. That is the advice now. 3 years and dying for you. Turn down, fire you there. Idiot.
My son, remember what I used to tell you about those your so-called friends. I may be blind, but my senses work faster than those with 2 eyes. Now, in this circumstance, what do you think?
Honestly speaking, Namoku, I don't even know what to think.
Then why not come to me for a fatherly advice?
Namoku, I know what the outcome will be.
Okay. Now, were you able to get something much better from Ochili? It's all right. We are 2 of us talking now. I'd like to know, those 3 girls that are after you or you are having within you, tell me, which of them does your mind tilt to?
Greetings to the owners of this house.
My princess.
Jaden, how are you?
I'm fine. To what do I owe this unexpected visit?
Don't I have a right to visit on my own?
Please sit. Please pardon me. I have nothing to offer.
Who says I want you to offer me anything, Jaden? I only came to visit you. How is your grandfather?
He's not feeling fine. He's inside.
In that case, let me see him. I'll come again. And when I'm coming, I'll bring some medicine for your grandfather from the palace.
Thank you very much, my princess.
You'll be fine, okay?
Chile, what was that for? What is it?
Stay quiet. You know, happy that I'm touching you. Eh? Tell me, are you not happy?
Ochili, don't ever touch me again. I don't want it. I don't need it. I don't need your touch. Don't dare touch me again.
What are you doing here?
Come. What are you doing in my house?
I mean, you the only one at home.
How does that answer my question?
I mean, take it easy. Eh? Oh, your chili loves you.
I told you you should not touch me again. I don't like it. Don't you dare to touch me again.
I mean, because I'm playing with you, you have to hit me, right?
I will hit you again and again and again if you dare touch me one more time. Don't blame you.
Amaka, so it's because of Chidabi, eh? You're very wicked though. You're very wicked though.
I'll be wicked. I don't need you. Don't touch me. Your heart irritates me. Ah!
Come and chase me out of this compound. Come on.
That you saw Shade and the princess coming out from inside the hut. Is that a reason why you should be killing yourself? Crying like a baby. Eh? I want to ask you, is Shade the only handsome man in this village? Eh?
You don't understand.
What am I going to understand?
You don't understand. You don't understand how much I love Chidi.
That you love Chidi, you love Chidi. Eh? It's the same Chidi that you saw with the princess the other time. You love Chidi. You can't be fighting over a man in order for a man to love you. Listen, I didn't fight in order to gain your father's love. Eh? It's a man that will go to a woman and not a woman going to a man. Not the other way around. Eh? I've been warning you and I'll keep on saying it because I'm your mother. Eh?
I love you very much.
Forget about that love.
I love you very much. I love you. I love you very much.
You should stop crying. Forget about that. Okay? If you love Chidi, Chidi and Chidi didn't love you, what will you do? Are you going to kill yourself?
What happened to your head? Did you fight on your way?
Don't ask me.
Are you not the one that asked me questions? Oh, sorry, This is not a taboo to ask questions. Your food is at the fireplace.
Udoka, talk to your friend before she kills herself over somebody who doesn't know that she's existing. Better talk to her. Oh.
Udoka, what type of sickness is this? Is it because of Chidi?
Chidi is such an ingrate.
What happened?
Do you know I saw Chidi? And Adaeze coming out of his hut. Koli, I saw them with my eyes.
So Chidi has made his choice of Adaeze, right? That's what it means. See, my friend, I know how it hurts. But please don't allow it to weigh you down. Chidi is not the only young man in Alodo.
Koli, I love Chidi very much. I love him from the deepest part of my heart. There is absolutely nothing I can do without him.
So you love him over your life? So you rather die than taking the chance of having someone else to fall in love with? See, you had better save all this discomfort. You heard what your mother said. Chidi is not the only man in Alodo. Cheer up, girl. Using wrapper to cover yourself. Please, I beg. Have you eaten?
Nne, I'm off to moonlight dance, so
please be careful, and don't keep too late.
No problem, Mama. I'll soon be back. Who is that? Show yourself! Show yourself! Show yourself!
Udoka!
Who's there?
Do you know what happened?
What?
Guess now.
Koli, please, I have too much on my head right now. I can't guess anything. What is it?
Amara was raped last night.
Chimo! Hey, but who would have done this kind of thing to Amara?
Is that what you're asking me? How am I supposed to know? But that says her right. Do you know the most important thing?
No.
The Igwe's royal flute was found in the spot where she was raped.
Ew!
I still asked again. I said, who actually found the royal flute on that very spot where that girl was defiled?
Who? Igwe, it was early this morning that he came to my house. What is that?
You mean Ochele?
Ochele. He was the first to call to my house early this morning. I was so surprised, I was so shocked when I heard the whole story. But at the same time, I was happy that the missing fleet has been found. That's it.
Yes, it has been found. But I still need to find out. I still need to find out how my royal flute found its way to the place where a sacrilege was committed. That's my point.
Igwe, how do you intend to go about it?
Chijike, nothing is impossible. Yes.
Sorry, no? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Take your medicine. Thank you.
Good.
It's okay. Sorry. Sorry. Relax.
Kid, you are wanted at the palace immediately.
What for?
Stop asking questions and frost immediately.
Listen, my grandfather is not feeling fine, so I can't leave him all alone.
Hey. We have no moment to waste here. And the Igwe's order must be obeyed. Let's go.
Tell the Igwe I'm busy. I'll see him later in the evening.
Then you have to come with us at once.
Listen, you can't just come here and move me like a common criminal.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
I said let's go.
Oh, what is it, my child? Why not leave him to please treated me?
Where are they taking him to?
I don't know. What are you trying to do? Follow them.
But why are they taking him again? What has he done this time?
Maybe, I think it's probably in connection with Amara and the missing royal flute. I'm sure.
I don't understand.
Hey, you will not understand. See, come, let's go. When we get home, you will understand. Oh yeah. Where are you going to?
I'm going to Chidi's house.
To do what?
Well, it is obvious his grandfather was killed. We have to go and check to know how he's faring. Please come with me, let's watch.
Not me. I have something I want to do at home. Don't worry. Later I'll come and meet you.
It's okay, don't worry.
Be
No
careful.
problem.
Hey. Love,
Udoka, did you see my son?
Yes, Papa. I saw him on my way out. He said he was hurrying off to somewhere, but he'll be back very soon.
Udoka, you're just giving me some excuses which I don't know. He was here quarreling with the
palace guards. They were quarreling with each other, the palace guards and the Chidi. After some time, I did not hear their voice again. Now you come here, you didn't even want to tell me the actual thing that happened. Because I don't see, I don't know how to go about it. Please, my daughter, tell me the truth. Where is Chidi now? Huh? Oh. Oh. Why shouldn't they come and kill me here instead of leaving me to suffer when this young man goes away? Oh.
Papa, it's okay. Please, I'm begging you. Don't be like... Papa, Chidi is fine. I just told you I saw him when I was coming. He's fine.
Oh.
Don't bother yourself. He's
I
fine.
believe in this. Hey.
As you can see now, it's only me and you here. No chiefs, no queen, and definitely no princess. So I expect you to tell me the truth and all will be well. What is this?
It's a flute, Igwe.
Good. Have you seen it before? I can't hear you.
No, Igwe.
So you're seeing it for the first time?
Yes, Igwe.
In other words, you cannot explain how this flute was found on the very spot where you raped or defiled that girl.
Igwe, I didn't.
You didn't? I don't understand. That you are not the one that defied that girl, or that you are not the one that stole my flute?
I did none of the above, Igwe.
Liar. Now listen to me. Ezemo is now on his way, alongside with the chiefs. So it's better for you to tell me the truth and save yourself public disgrace and ridicule. Confess to me so that I will see that everything dies a natural death. I will seal it up.
Igwe, I'm innocent. I'm ready to stick my life just to prove my innocence.
Very well then. We shall see. Guards!
Sorry. Your body is not hot as expected. It's an indication that the sickness is coming down.
No, Mama. It's not going down. I'm feeling it inside my body. What? I'm not sure that I can go to anywhere.
Is it serious like that? But why this sudden sickness of yours? But you are strong this morning. Strong enough to have discovered Igwe's field where Amara was attacked.
No, I don't know.
What is wrong with us?
I can't explain. I can't explain. I suddenly developed a cold.
Sorry.
I'm very hungry.
Nkole, please, go and make fire. Warm that soup, fast. Fast, okay?
Nne, did I tell you that Chidi has been hurt by Igwe once again?
What?
I don't know, Nne. That is what I heard.
Please, go and make the fire,
Sorry.
Sorry. No, sorry. Sorry. Fast. Fast. Sorry. You want to lie down? Lie down, sorry. I'm coming, yeah?
Where are you coming from? Answer my question. You left here early in the morning with Nkole. Now you are coming back. Then, where are you coming from?
I went to Chidi's house.
Eh? Did I hear you say Chidi? Chidi again. Is it not the same Chidi you are complaining of? What has he given you to eat?
I was coming from Nkole's house this morning when I saw the palace guards taking Chidi to the palace. So I just...
Palace guards taking Chidi to the palace? That means he has committed another sin, another crime.
What crime do you think he has committed again?
Didn't they say he's the one who stole Igwe's royal fruit? Come to think of it, the same royal fruit was found at the spot where Amara was defied. No wonder.
No wonder what?
That means the same Chidi is the one who stole Igwe's royal fruit. You're also the one who raped Amara.
Nne, enough. Chidi did not do any of those things you're talking about now. Neither did he take Igwe's royal flute. Nne, I'm very sure that he did not defile Amara too. So just stop this whole accusation, please.
Okay. He didn't do it. Then who did?
Stop! What's going on here?
You go ordered. He should be put back in the cage.
For what?
Let's go!
My jewel.
Father, why did you order your guards to put him back into the cage?
Who is he?
Chidi.
What do you care about a criminal like him anyway?
Chidi is not a criminal, Father.
And what is your stand, if I may ask, my princess? What is your stand? You seem to take a particular interest on that boy's matter, which I am yet to understand.
Please, Father, release him.
Why? No, tell me why I should release a man that was accused of stealing my flute and which was discovered on the same spot where a girl was raped a night before.
Father, Chidi did not commit those crimes he was accused of.
So if Chidi didn't commit it, were you the one that committed it? What is your proof?
My princess, what is it? I heard your voice from my chamber.
Ask her. Our daughter has suddenly grown soft for a criminal. The princess is pleading for a criminal to be released. Can you imagine?
Chidi is not a criminal, Father. He's not. Father, please, for the sake of the love you have for me, release him. Remember, he has a sick, blind grandfather at home. Please, Father.
I will not release him until I get a proof of his innocence.
Hola! Hola, Chi!
Try to understand your father. Understand what, mother? That someone doesn't have a right to defend himself before judgment is passed? This same Chidi you people used to like at some point.
Liking him or not liking him is not the issue here. He was accused of stealing the Igwe's flute, which you were part of the arrangement that he should be arrested and punished.
Yes, because I had my reasons then, mother.
Of course I know you have your reasons.
You do?
What else will make a woman to intercede for a young man, if not for love? I am a woman and I'm experienced enough to see the sign. But my daughter, do not allow your father to hear this. If not, he may do unthinkable.
Mother, please, you have to help me here. Please talk to my father.
About what? Didn't you hear your father? Yeah? Unless if there is a proof of Chidi's innocence, he may do unthinkable.
Who is at home? Who is at home? Knock, knock.
Oh, yeah. Who is there?
Oh, my princess. Amara, I greet you.
Welcome, princess.
I came to see Amara.
Amara was not herself ever since the attack. My daughter wasn't herself anymore.
I know. That is why I came.
Amara! Ami! Come. The princess is here to see you.
Sorry. It's okay, Amara. Sorry. I know what you're going through.
That is why I came. Whosoever that did this must be brought to judgment. Okay?
May the gods of our land kill who did this to me. Who did this to me?
This person must suffer. Gods of our land, that person will not go free. How I wish my husband was alive. No one will do this to his daughter and live to tell the story. No one. I know my husband Obanta. But see me now. Death has finished me. Death! You have killed me. Death, you finished me.
Namara, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Amara, I want to ask you some questions. I hope you will oblige me.
What question do you want to ask? What question?
No, I've not told you yet. You know that yesterday we are coming back from the stream, how that boy was busy admiring my waist. And you know what?
What happened? What happened? Where is my princess?
Majesty, my princess instructed us to stay back while she goes somewhere.
And you allowed her? And none of you thought it wise to inform the Igwe or myself that the princess left this palace without any escort. And you are here gathered like pigeons, discussing what I don't know.
We are sorry, Your Majesty.
You are sorry? You will be sorry by the time I inform the Igwe. And let the cause of our land help people. If anything should happen to my princess. Stop it.
Now your brother lives. Her brother lives. Just take it easy, you'll be fine. Sorry. Hey, sorry. Sorry, do. Sorry. Okay, just raise up your head a bit. Just open your mouth, small. Swallow it.
Where are you coming from without your maidens?
Father, must I go anywhere I wish to go to with my maidens?
Yes. You must go everywhere you're going with your maidens. Your maidens are a part of your royal protocol, which you must observe at all times. Now listen to me. Never again must you leave the royal premises without your maidens. Except you want to make me believe that your mission beyond the palace is an ulterior motive.
Far from it, Father. I can never do anything that will bring shame to this royal lineage, Father.
Very well then. Where are you coming from?
I went to see Amara.
Amara? You went to commensurate with her or what?
Yes, Father. And to ask her some questions. I believe that very soon, the real culprit will be found, Father.
My grandfather. Who is taking care of my grandfather? Namuku. Namuku, how are you faring? I hope you are fine. Who is taking care of Namuku? Who is taking care of Namuku?
Keep quiet! Stop disturbing our ears.
Greeting to the people of this house. Is anybody here?
Greetings to you, royal guards. Hope all is well.
The Igwe wishes to see your son, actually.
My son?
Yes.
I hope there is no problem.
Madam, there's no problem.
What are you doing?
The royal, yes, I'm outside.
Royal guards.
Just the king asked us to fetch your son for him.
Is your brother still in the toilet?
Yes. It's true.
Ochili! Ochili! Come here. The Igwe want to see you.
Yes. The Igwe wants to see you at the palace immediately.
Igwe.
Yes.
Is he about the girl that was raped?
We don't know. Igwe asked me to fetch you for him. So I advise young man, we leave immediately. Let me go with them.
I want to go with him.
Don't worry. Just stay with me. I'm coming back. Yeah? I'm coming back. Sorry. Stay back. Let's go.
Watch me.
Come in, eh?
Actually, let me first of all start thanking you for the way and manner you helped us discover the truth behind the crimes committed in this kingdom at the same time.
Thank you.
First, it was my flute, which you told me the culprit. Though some people did not believe you, but I believed you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Just as expected, the culprit committed another offense where my royal flute was discovered, still by you.
Thank you. Thank you. Igwe, before we continue, will it not be better if Ochili will remove this cloth that covers his body? I'm feeling fine. Send for me. That's why I came.
Yes, that I appreciate. So, I actually invited you here today for you to say before my chiefs the details of the attack on Amara.
The thing is, from the royal flute to be found where the girl was raped. It means that the person who raped him, took the flute.
Who is that?
Actually, did you not understand it? Who is that person you told me that stole the fruit? The day you found the fruit and brought it to my house. Chidi.
Okay.
I thought you would have spoken from the other side of your mouth. Guards! Your Highness.
Amara, I want you to tell us before Ichiobio and other people here what happened in the night you were raped.
My daughter, stop crying. We know what happened. I was trying to remember one of two things. Why did it happen? Please, like to take my time. My letter. Take it.
Ochele, wait. I will excuse you, but I want you to be here.
Igwe. I was preparing for the moonlight play. But my father asked me to leave the moonlight play for that day. Because she wanted me to help her out with something. But I insisted on going. I insisted. And she let me. When she let me. On my way.
Who is that? Who is that? Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself.
We must go to the good place. Igwe, we've all heard her.
Amara, from what you said, Amara, I discovered that you clawed the assailant on the chest, which means whoever the person is, there must be a mark on his body, either the front chest or the back.
Bam. Let me take my drugs.
I told you I would send for your drugs.
Igwe is talking to you. Igwe is talking to you, actually.
We need your attention and presence. This matter is very important.
You're not dying now.
Ichiobiora, can you see any visible mark or scratch on Chide's body?
Of course. Look at him here. Nothing. There is nothing on his body. Nothing on his chest.
There's no mark. You see, since there is no mark on Chid, that means all these things we have been saying, both the flute and the rape, we have not seen the real culprit.
I want to pour my
Ochele, I said you should come back. Be here. Let's see how this thing goes. So Ochele, as you can see, all from the look of things, we've not seen the real culprit because there is no visible mark on Chid, as said by Amara.
We've seen Chid, nothing. Can actually,
of course, right away, let us see, just to be plain to everybody. It's not Chid alone. Let us check everybody.
Remove your clothes. For inquiries, we've seen Chid. Let us see you too. And every other young man.
Every other young dude. We are going to check everybody.
Are you not sick?
Hey!
Huh? Ochele?
Ochele,
what are those marks on your chest?
Ochele, why? Why? How could you do this to me? Why? How could you do this to me?
Confess.
be my profit. Huh? You know, I don't do things for nothing. Huh?
Actually, you must not talk about profit all the time. You need to sacrifice, okay? Once in a while you sacrifice.
Sacrifice? Eh?
Yes,
sacrifice my own sweat. Eh? It's you, me. How none sacrifice my own toiling. Come on, sacrifice.
Chidi, good day. Chidi, not Chidi, I greet you too.
Greet you too.
Chidi, there is something I've been meaning to tell you, but not now. Amara, this one you want to tell Chidi something. I hope you're not planning to steal him away from me.
You are the one planning to steal him away from me. Thief.
Amara. Amara.
How are you?
Ochidi, how many times will you ask me this question? This is the third time you're seeing me today. The third time, and you're asking me the same question. Okay, if you must know, I'm fine. I hope you are satisfied now. Fool. Chidi. I'll see you later.
That girl, eh? She thinks she can insult me and go scot free.
Listen, actually, you can't force a girl to love you. Take your mind off that girl. I owe you the truth as my friend.
Telling me the truth. You think I've not been seeing that girl, the loves you.
Which of them? Listen, I don't have time for girls now. My priority number one is my sick grandfather. I don't have such time. Are you hearing me?
That one is the truth. But I'm also telling you the truth.
Let's go and take our truth. One muzzle. go and ask the director. Home. Let's go. Go. That away. What's your problem? Wait now, huh? Come and help me. You see, the antelope is too big for one person to
tell you the truth, we need to exchange our traps. Because I can't tell why you always have the big meat.
Actually, it's not all about exchanging traps. I know I'm a lucky man, but don't worry, I'll give you some. Come and help me first.
I can see the lovely bush animals you both are having.
Beautiful animal. We got from traps.
Why don't you consider bringing meat to the palace, since my father's personal hunter is no more available?
That would be such a great honor.
Very well then.
Well, in that case, let me start by offering this to the Igwe.
Chidi, no! I didn't expect this.
No, my princess. It will be my utmost pleasure for the Igwe to eat from my trap.
Thank you very much. I'm sure the Igwe will appreciate this. Thank you.
Chidi, you want to give me the Igwe?
Thank you, Chidi.
Just like that.
Chidi, trying to prove anyway. He thinks that the game is meat to the Igwe than princess love him more. Or the Igwe will probably ask him to come and be the king. Chidi always trying to paint himself good than me. But anyway, we shall see.
I'm sorry. I have to bring you out. It's about your grandfather.
Actually, hope there is no problem.
Actually, I greet you, Chidi.
What is happening?
What do you mean by what is happening?
Obim, I have come like I promised.
You shouldn't have. Someone is already helping you out.
Who?
Udoka, you again. Give me that pot.
Give me the pot!
I should give you what?
Give me that pot, Udoka. Give it to me.
Amara, don't try.
I will beat you.
Don't try me.
I will beat you.
Amara, don't try.
Give me the pot.
Amara,
give me that pot.
Amara, I said I won't give you the pot. Give me that pot. No, don't touch.
I will beat you.
Don't touch me.
I will beat you. I will beat you.
Give it. Amara, leave this pot.
Give me this pot.
Now I remember. Actually, you wanted to tell me something yesterday before Udoka and Odera started their problem.
Idiot. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you asking? Go and die on the laps of Dodo's girls. Fool. But don't worry. One day, all this your flaunting will come to an end. We shall see.
Why are you quiet? I'm talking to you.
I'm fine. I've forgotten.
Actually,
say that. I've forgotten. In fact, I want to go.
You want to go? Where?
To go check our traps now.
Let's go. You're acting strange lately. I don't know. Actually,
Your Highness will soon be with you.
Sit down. Once again, you are welcome.
Thank
you.
My daughter told me how you gave her bushmeat for the royal household. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, Igwe.
Even up till now, I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Igwe.
So, for that reason, I wish to make you constant meat supplier for the royal household.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. Thank you. Greetings, my princess.
She's my good friend.
I greet you. Igwe, He's the one that gave me the meat I brought back the other day.
Really? Ah. You are Mazi Ojina's grandson, isn't it?
Yes, he will.
Your father was a very good man. Unfortunately, death claimed him too early. But I'm so happy that you inherited your father's good virtue. Keep it up, okay?
Thank you very much, Igwe.
Very well then. I'll be needing more of the bush animals you gave out to my daughter. But I wonder if you can guarantee me a good supply.
Definitely. Consider it done, Igwe.
No problem, Igwe. So, it's a deal.
Sure.
Deal.
I told you, didn't I? You're not a supplier of meat to this royal house. Thank you, Father.
I never believed the princess when she said her father will grant us the office. Okay. Are you okay? You've been moody. What's eating you up?
Something like what?
Until I know you very well. This is not you. You've been cold.
Chidi, must talk all the time.
Actually, recently you've been cold. What is eating you up? What is the problem? I just want to know. Are you okay? Are you sure you're fine?
Chidi, I'm fine. Okay. It's just that a lot of things on my mind. Stop reading on unnecessary minutes.
Why must everything be about cheating? In what way is cheating better than me? I have received insult because of cheating. Even my told me that she loved Chidi more than me. Then the princess is even in love too to Chidi. I must put an end to all this. I can't continue like this.
Ami, is you that I love.
I want you to give me a chance in your life. Is you that I love. In this whole village, is you that actually loves. I mean,
is this why you stopped me? I thought you had something better to say. Excuse me.
Oh, so this thing that I said now is not better. It's not better, Abi. He say it's not better. I mean, listen. You cannot do anything about it. Oh, it's you that I love. Oh, in this village, it's only you.
Actually, I don't like you. Read my lips. I don't like you. Can't you see the signs?
Stop trying to force me against my will. It will not work. I don't like you.
Okay. It's obvious that you prefer Chidi, right? Huh?
Of course. Chidi is my man. After my heart. I call him Obi.
Chidi, huh? Chidi that doesn't appreciate you at all. That you love.
Look at this fool. Who told you Chidi doesn't appreciate me? Who told you that?
Chidi loves you. Oh, okay. Let me ask you one question. Eh? If Chidi appreciates you like you said, eh? Why will he be allowing you and Udoka to be wrestling? Are you a wrestler? Eh?
Oh, Chili, I can see you don't have anything reasonable to say. You are just being jealous of Chidi. Accept it. You are jealous of him.
Me? Jealous of Chidi. Who is Chidi self?
You know what? I don't have time. You're just wasting my precious time. Okay? So go and get a life. Enough of this, your nonsense, blasphemy and everything. I am done.
Amara! Amara, you're working out of me, Abi. Eh? Me? Actually, in this village. I don't have anything to say for now. Hi. But this Amara is fine. Look at the way everywhere is shaking. Hi. I don't have anything to tell you now. You don't have to kill yourself. Eh? Happened palace.
What I still don't understand is what happened to that bushmeat. Bushmeat don't easily get rotten like that.
Chidi, Hitma, poison snake. Something.
Chidi, you know, you worry a lot of times on things that does not really make for it. Believe in the gods because I believe in them. They will do a lot of things for you. Believe in the gods. Who greets me?
Nah, it's me, Udoka.
Oh, Udoka, my daughter. How are you?
I'm very fine, and are you?
Fine, my dear. Well, you can see it. I'm always like that almost every day, but I believe the gods of our land will one day see me through, and I'll start to see. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you very much.
Things are working fine
yes,
with you.
Nai, everything is fine.
Good.
Actually, I greet you.
How are you?
Chidi,
Don't chidi me. What is chidi? Are you that jobless? Don't you have any other thing to do with your time? We're having a serious conversation here and you're busy. Chidi. That's one woman. Eh? Doga. Don't be angry. Eh? It's not in a good mood. Eh?
Obviously. I'll just give you some space now.
Better.
Please, whatever it is, just take it easy. Greetings to his house.
Thank you.
Just get me more of such meat.
No problem, Igwe.
That reminds me, what about your friend, Ched?
Oh. I don't know. I think he has lost interest after the last incident.
Igwe.
My princess,
Yes, Father.
what are you doing with this?
It's just an ordinary flute I saw in your chambers.
Ma'am, this is not ordinary. It is a cherished possession from my late father, which he bequeathed to me.
That means you will bequeath it to me when the time comes, won't you?
Yes, but you have to keep it where you brought it from. But to think of it, I have never seen where a female is being attracted to a flute. How come?
There is always a first time, Father, isn't it?
You're right, my princess. I'm going. Actually, you betrayed me. Why would you take me to that palace without my consent? Eh? Chili, you weren't ready now. I was ready. I went now. Who told you I was not ready? Who told you? Chidi, I don't want to argue. Please do. You can take the meat to the palace yourself now. Actually, I'm beginning to see you from a different angle. Don't let me lose the trust I have on you. Actually, I'm warning you. Don't let me lose the trust I have on you. Business.
And how did you know that my flute is missing?
Ingwe. Because I saw the flute with Chidi. So I asked him, but Chidi denied. Yes, Igwe.
So when and where did you see the flute that you were able to recognize it?
Igwe, have you forgotten? The other day, you were scolding the princess for bringing it out. So that day I went home and told Chidi about it. Since that day, everything Chidi says is about the flute. The flute this, the flute that.
And how did you know this?
Chidi is my friend now. He tells me everything. So that is why I've come to tell you. So tomorrow, someone will not say I'm part of it. And please, I would love for you to keep it to yourself. Please.
I call the gods of this land to bear me witness as I hand over this cherished fruit of mine to Chid as my first gesture of appreciation for his kindness and genuine purpose to life. Chid, indeed, you are a man of good character and maturity, such as I, even as your king, cannot boast of. But I have found in you a man full of patience, generosity, and meekness. In fact, permit me to say that I wish I had you as my son. You would have led my people when I must have journeyed to the great beyond. And that is why I am handing over this, my cherished flute, as a symbol of friendship and a covenant between the royal house and the family of Virginia. I'm bestowing on you such immunity as it is enjoyed by the royal house, and according you also the noble status as associated by the royal house. May the gods of this land bless you richly and continue to guide and protect you. Tomorrow, the chair Obiora shall take you to the village square and present you to the people of
Namuku. I am very, very happy that finally you have returned to this house. All the allegations leveled against you are now in vain. I'd like you to promise me one thing.
Namungu, I'm all ears. Whatever you want me to do, just say it, I will.
I'd like you always to follow your heart desire and not to be swayed over circumstances. God will be with you in every aspect of your life. It shall be well with you.
Namungu. 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 Namungu.
On behalf of myself and the royal house, I bring you our condolence on the passing away of your grandfather.
Thank you very much, my princess.
I'm happy that the storm is over now, and we can look forward to better days ahead.
Exactly, my princess.
I never doubted you, even while you were going through all that persecution.
Thanks for believing in me, my princess.
That is why I had to do what I did, to prove your innocence.
I really appreciate my princess.
I know you do. My heart is telling me I have found the right one.
I don't understand.
I have told my father about my intentions towards you and our marriage ceremony,
My
which...
princess, with all due respect, you can't be my wife.
Why?
Because my mind is already made on someone else. Excuse me, my princess.
Mother, I can't take this. I can't, Mother.
My princess, please calm down.
I should calm down, Mother. Is this how Chidi wants to pay me back? After everything I've done for him, even saving his life.
My daughter, one thing you should know is, it is not easy to affect a man's deepest belief. Chidi that you and I know is a man of genuine purpose.
Genuine purpose, my foot, Mother. Chidi cannot just treat me like that and expect to go scot-free. If he can't marry me, he won't marry any other person over my dead body.
My daughter, you don't have to talk like that. You do not have a blood covenant, do you? Eh? He is free to marry any woman he chooses to marry. And remember, your father has given him immunity. There is nothing you can do to him that will harm him. My daughter, you have to accept it with a good faith. Please, my daughter.
Sorry. Yes, what is it?
Your Highness, my princess refused to come out.
What? It's okay, Igwe. I know why she does not want to come out and see me. But Igwe, please, I'm begging, on behalf of my friend Ochile.
Please, don't just go there. If you're talking about my daughter, I will understand. But for that criminal, Ochile, I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Igwe, I understand how you feel, but please, I'm pleading with you to recognize the immunity you gave me before your chiefs. Please have mercy upon my friend Ochile.
So you wish to hold me against my word, hmm? I'll still have to think about it. All the same, you have my support.
May you live long.
Chidi, Udoka, I have come to tell you I'm not angry anymore about your marriage. If I were to follow my heart, Chidi would have been my husband. But you won. Please, take care of him, cherish him, and love him.